we'll stay together, pure.
Good morning mga kapuso and welcome to Ever Bilena Makeup Beauty Tutorial. Nowadays, uso na talaga ang dewy look because it gives you that healthy and radiant glow. Kaya naman today, we're going to do the dewy makeup look. Dahil dewy look ang peg natin today, let's use a liquid foundation. Like Ever Bilena Pro Flawless Finish Foundation in gold. Pump a right amount on sponge and then pat it on your forehead, under your eyes, cheek, chin, and neck. Then dust Ever Bilena face powder in natural sa areas na madaling maging oily. Use brush para makontrol ang application and para maintain ang pagiging dewy ng skin. Make your look more appealing with well-shaped brows. Fill in the sparse areas using Ever Bilena Color Pencil in brown at i-blend for a fuller effect. Para mas maging sparkling ang inyong eyes, line your waterlines using Ever Bilena Color Pencil in pure white. Then apply Ever Bilena Cheek Blush in Raisin sa apples na inyong cheeks. As a final touch, apply Ever Bilena Matte Lipstick in Sienas following your natural lip shape. Let your aura radiate with this look, which is very easy to achieve. Perfect pa for an everyday look. Watch out for more tips from Ever Bilena Makeup Beauty Tutorial to help you shine beautifully every day.
Ang bahaging ito ay inatid sa inyo ng Ever Bilena.
Beauty shines from our heart. Beauty that no one can take away from us. What makes me really shine? Ever Bilena. It's everything I need. My face is radiant with complete line of facial makeup, various tones and shades for different skin types. My eyes reveal true feelings with fabulous lines of eye makeup. Shadow, line, brighten. I can speak my heart out with fantastic lines for the lips. I feel complete. Evie, beauty shines in you.
Marimar.